Welcome to our review on radiation and surfaces. So first thing we need to understand is what radiation actually is. So radiation is the transfer of energy by electromagnetic waves, particularly infrared radiation or IR. So what we find is that all bodies will be able to emit and absorb infrared. So infrared's an electromagnetic wave and it's capable of travelling through a vacuum like all electromagnetic waves. And what we find is that the hotter something actually is, the more energy it will radiate in a given time. So what we find is that if we've got a hot object, it's going to emit more infrared radiation in a certain time than a cooler object would. When we're looking at radiation, then the surface of an object actually affects how much energy it will absorb. If we consider a dark matte surface first of all, then that surface is very good at absorbing infrared. It's also very good at emitting it. So what we tend to find there is if you wear dark clothing in a hot country, then that absorbs more of the infrared and therefore makes you feel warmer. A light or shiny surface, however, is quite bad at absorbing or emitting the infrared radiation. So as a result of this, people always recommend that you wear sort of lighter colour clothing when in hot countries, because that means that it will reflect away the infrared radiation, you won't absorb as much, and therefore you won't feel as hot.